gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her. Wanna lay it down, I'll try my heart. Don't I know?
Hi guys, it's Aleema. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're not. So today's video is going to be a Dior unboxing. If you guys aren't subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you'll be notified of the next time I upload, and like this video if you like it. This is my first Dior bag, so we're gonna get rid of all of this packaging. Oh, this is massive. Not my usual setup because I really wanted to get this video up as soon as possible. It has a little, the middle star that I thought was only for like holiday, but she put that on there for me. And I cannot undo this. Bruh. I just like, okay, there we go. Before I open it, leave a guess of what bag do you think it is? Because it is a bag. It's too big not to be open. In the comments. Oh, that over there. Probably guess what it is now. It's the Dior book totes, and it has some cardboard in there. I got the blue oblique because it was, you know, classic. You could wear it any time of year. I saw something in here. Oh. Comes with this. What is this? Oh, I have an authenticity card. It shows when I bought it, where I bought it, and the little booklet. Before this video, I was supposed to have up a wish list for 2020, but I didn't get to film that yet, so I think this video is going up first, and this would have been on that wish list. So yeah, it's the front, it's the back. Literally got it today. Oh, she offered to have it personalized for me, but I didn't. What is this? Did I not just, no, this is another one. Is this another authenticity card? No. Wait a minute. But yeah, I didn't want to get it personalized yet, just in case I ever decided I wanted to sell it, but I don't know, I kind of don't want to sell it. So this isn't my authenticity card. This one says 214. So someone tried to buy this on Valentine's Day and I guess didn't. Because today's 222 and that actually is what it says on the authenticity card. That is interesting. Anyway, I am so excited to use this bag. I'm gonna put my laptop. Wait. For some reason, this looks smaller than I thought it was, but this is the regular size, I do believe. It better be. This is the receipt that's in here. Yeah, it's just a Dior book tote. Yeah, this is the regular size. And I bought it in New Jersey, not in New York, so my tax wasn't as bad. Just like literally 2% difference. Okay, so I keep hearing people say that the actual book tote was massive, but this actually isn't that big. I don't know what they're talking about. So the smaller one must be tiny then. This is like I don't know. Let's see my laptop. This is my laptop. It's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. I mean, I guess I could see how it could be smaller, but it fits in there nicely. Okay, now it's kind of heavy though. I mean, it doesn't feel that heavy on its own, but with my laptop in there, it did gain some weight significantly. Okay, but yeah, but that's it for the video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it, please. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Leave any comments down below. Do you have this bag? Do you think of getting this bag? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.